Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad bin Shamil Hafizan. My ID matric is 2024 792579. So my course code is SR113 SPS 2204D2. And today my topic is about macronutrients requirement for female endurance athletes. So let's go to the next slide. Alright, let's introduce about macronutrient. Macronutrient requirement refer to the recommended amounts of the three main nutrients, which mean is carbohydrates, proteins, and fats that the body needs daily to support energy, support growth, and tissue repair, and maintain metabolic and hormonal functions. So the sustained physical performance according to an individual's age, sex, body size, activity level, and training demands. So the three main macronutrients is a carbohydrate, which means the body's main source of energy. Protein needed to muscle building and tissue repair. Fat is about important for long-term energy, hormone production, and cell function. So next. So what is macronutrition? Macronutrition is a type of nutrient that the body needs in large amounts to provide energy and support a sustained bodily function such as a growth, metabolism, tissue repair, and physical activity. The word macro means large, which indicate that these nutrients are required in a greater quantities compared to a micronutrient, which means is vitamin and minerals. Alright. Okay. About the three macronutrients is first of all a carbohydrate. The carbohydrate are the body primary source of energy. They are broken down into glucose, which fuel the brain, muscle, and nervous system. Carbohydrates are especially important during exercise because they supplies quick and efficient energy during exercise. Alright, and for example, carbohydrate is rice, bread, pasta, fruits, vegetable, and cereal. And about the protein is essential for building and repairing body tissue, including muscle, skin, and organs. It also helps produce enzymes, hormones, and antibodies that support immunity and overall health. For example, chicken, fish, egg, milk, beans, and nuts. Also tofu. Okay, how about fat? Protein is essential for building and repairing body tissue, including muscle, skin, and organs. It also helps produce enzymes. Okay, about fat, protein is essential for building and repairing body tissue, which means including muscle, skin, and organs. For example, chicken, fish, egg, milk, beans, nut, and tofu also. Alright, so we go to the next slide. Why macronutrients are important? Macronutrients supply the body with energy for daily activities and exercise, structural materials for growth and repair, regulation of body processes such as metabolism and hormone production. Without adequate intake of macronutrients, the body becomes weak, fatigued, and unable to function properly. Alright. How about endurance? So what is endurance? Endurance is the ability of the body to sustain physical activity for long period of time without becoming excessively tired. It allows athletes to continue performing activities such as running, cycling, swimming, or rowing at steady pace over extended durations. So, endurance depends on what? Endurance depends on efficient energy production, strong heart and lungs, well-conditioned muscle. Alright, macronutrients are essential because endurance training places high energy demands on the body, and female athletes have a unique nutrition needs for perform and health. So, for the provide energy for long transitions. Carbohydrates supplies quick and efficient fuel. Fat provide long-lasting energy for prolonged activity. The second one is support muscle recovery and strength. So how they can support the muscle recovery and strength? Because protein repair muscle damage from intense training and prevent muscle loss. And the next one is maintain hormonal and menstrual health. Educate fat and overall energy intake support hormones, balance and health menstrual function in female athletes. Number 4. How can the macronutrient reduce fatigue and injury risks? Meeting macronutrient needs help prevents, which mean like chronic fatigue, overtraining, nutrition deficiencies, and stress fractures. So last, improve performance and endurance capacity. Their balanced macronutrient intake allow athlete to train harder, recover faster, and perform consistently at high levels. Alright, we have the last slide about the conclusions. Okay, micronutrients requirement play a vital role in the health and performance of female endurance athletes. Educate intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats ensure sufficient energy supplies. They can support muscle repair and recovery, maintain hormonal balance, and reduce of the risks of fatigue and injury. By meeting this and reduce the risk fatigue injuries, female endurance athletes can enhance their training capacity, which like improve endurance performance and achieve a long-term athlete success. So proper macronutrient planning is therefore essential for optimal performance and overall well-being. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.